Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create slow motion video in CapCut PC. So it's for simple, yes. And for simple, click import to import your element you want to edit. Let's select the video and just add to the track. You can split before like this. I'm going to make the middle clip slow mo. Select speed. You can swipe to the left for the slower, and you can turn on smooth slow mo. Okay, optical flow. By processing takes a long time. Alright, so you can see for the final result like this. Copyright. Ready to go. Yeah, so basically, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.